Hello everyone, Tesaks here and welcome to my devlog. And welcome to the third week of beta testing of Game Defenders as well. What is Game Defenders? My story-driven match-free game with tower defense and RPG elements for Android and PC that I've been working on for the last year or so. Wanna know more? Then check this playlist. Last week was spent by fixing all the bugs that got reported by testers, as well as receiving another bug. Luckily, this time only one. Anyway, this is how my notes look like right now with version 1.1.0, and I'm already working on version 1.1.1. Just to go through it quickly and not to repeat what I was talking about last week, Heroes Instant Resurrection is a rather interesting topic. Heroes used to completely skip the defeat phase. This was due to bug in the code that caused them to not go through the transition completely, and thus they could be resurrected instantly with the first match of their associated games. It was a rather easy fix, as it only required me to rework the transition. But then I realized I'm also missing correct animation, so I created one. I had no idea how I could forget about this, but it happened. Then I decided to reuse the animation for enemies, and it works. Eventually I would like to add more variety to the animations, but for now this will have to do. Then I quickly fixed the issue with heroes throwing exception. A list of targets wasn't checked properly, so exactly as I said last week, it was issue with targeting. Once that was solved, I added both enemies and heroes celebration animation as well as conditions for it. Now if the level is won, heroes celebrate that, and if the level is lost, enemies are celebrating that instead. And before the end of the week, I implemented level progression and wave progression bar. It's this thing down there. It was heavily requested by testers, and its sole purpose is to show you how far in the level you are and how many waves there is, as well as how many waves already arrived. And I kinda like the UI style of it, so I might tweak the UI of other bars to make it unified. Besides that, post got added, which is another heavily requested feature by testers. And I got feedback that the window mode would be really nice to have, so it's on my list right now. I am not exactly sure when it's gonna be added, but it should be rather easy to implement, so I decided to add borderless view as well. But it's not all just good news. I got reported new bug with match-free part of the game. This time it's impossible to match games from time to time, so I guess that's what I will be working on this week. Also, I would like to learn more about inheritance and interfaces, and so I am creating one small side project. Not gonna talk about it right now, but it will be announced soon, hopefully. Anyway, last week I challenged you guys to find and fix any issue with your current project that is slowing you down the most. So, how did it went? Did you find an issue in the first place? And if so, did you fix it? Tell me about it in the comments. And for this week's challenge, I started new side project to learn new stuff. So my challenge to you guys is to think about what you would like to learn, and then what could you do as your new project or side project to achieve that. And I will ask you about it next week. But now it's time to end this video. All the usual links to my release games, Facebook, Instagram and Discord server are in description. Be sure to check this out to join me on my game dev journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and until next Monday, see ya!